Hello guys. In this video, we are going to learn how to use Tailwind CSS with React.js from scratch. First, we will create a React.js app. Go to the folder where you want to create your project. I'm going to create mine in the D drive, inside the projects folder. Next, open the command prompt in that folder and run the following command: npx create React app, project name. I will name my project as Tailwind CSS demo, and then hit enter. Wait for a while to complete this. Once the installation is complete, navigate to the newly created project folder. To open the project in Visual Studio Code, simply type code in the command prompt. If you're using a different code editor, use the appropriate command to open it. Now, let's run the project to check if everything is working fine. Open the terminal and type npm run start to run the project. Yup, we have successfully created our demo project. Now, let's try to use Tailwind CSS. Open your browser and search for Tailwind CSS with React, and hit enter. Open the official Tailwind CSS website. There, you'll find the steps to integrate Tailwind with React. Since we've already created the React project, we can skip the first step. In the second step, it instructs us to install Tailwind CSS via npm. And then run the init command to generate the Tailwind config.js file. Replace the content inside that file accordingly. After that, add the Tailwind imports into our main CSS file. There might be some existing CSS in the file, but we don't need that, so let's replace it. Now we're ready to go. Go to the app.js file, add a div, and apply the Tailwind class bgred. Check the browser to see the background turn red. That's it for today guys, thank you, and follow for more content and tips like this.